Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Micks Mowers. And today's episode we're going to be doing a bit of cooking, me and little Riley boy. We've got Mrs P and Nana walking around the kitchen getting ready for Christmas, so don't mind them. Nana's just making a quick cup of coffee now. Before we get into it though, we have got some gifts that some people have sent in. Someone has sent me some quantum gaskets for the air boxes. Absolutely fantastic. No name of that one, so I'm not quite sure whose that's come from. You got a new tambourine, Riley boy, yeah, you can see that. Riley boy's tambourines to, yeah, get a little shake, yeah, just to wake up Father Christmas at 6 o'clock tonight, because it is Christmas Eve. I had to pick up a new gear for Suffolk Punch Crowcast one. Jamie sent me one of these, but I can't find it. So I'm going to buy one of those, and that will be coming up in another video, only because I've done a video on it, but I've got as far as the gear needed changing. I've had to buy a new gear, and someone has sent me loads of gifts, so there will be another video coming out soon, which is brilliant. Someone has also sent me a nice little gift of Briggs & Strapp flathead primer bulbs and clips, which is absolutely lovely. Yeah, have a look. Which is good.
Have a go.
Also been sent.
What's that picture?
I'll show you in a minute, mate. There's some stickers in there. Get the stickers out. Got a nice little card here. Merry and bright. It says to Michael Mower. That's from my mate Andy. Riley boy, Mrs P. Merry Christmas from the Mower Wizard Andy and his wife Julie. So we've got some stickers there from the Mower Wizard.
Daddy.
Yes, buddy. There's no one there. Look. There's no one there. Look. So I've got some stickers off of the Mower Wizard. Absolutely fantastic. Can't open it right now. Which is cool.
Shall we die?
And then the last one that's come in, as I say, there is a video coming, which has got lots more other gifts on it, but I'm waiting for parts of this mower. My mate Harry Potter has sent me a three-piece. Harry Potter, yeah, has sent me a three-piece spark plug set. There's actually a note with this one, Riley. Hang on 2 seconds, mate. A gift from Harry Greenaway. Enjoy your gift from Harry. That's my little mate Harry. He's fantastic. He has sent us over a, as I say, a three-piece set spark plug remover. So fantastic.
Dad.
So lots of gifts. Mrs P wants all this lot gone because it is coming up to Christmas. Mower Wizard.
My wizard, your picture of you. Merry Christmas before Daddy.
Oh, fantastic. That's for Daddy. That's cool. Thank you very much. Right, park your mum down. So today, what we're going to be doing is Christmas Eve, and in the Micks Mowers household, we don't buy our mince pies, we make them. And they're a little bit different to what your standard mince pies look like, because I'm not really a mince pie lover, but these ones, since I have found them, I absolutely demolish them. And Nana P, she normally has got her head stuck in the cupboard trying to get at them. So I know she's bought in a bulk load of custard to go with these mince pies. So, yes, buddy.
Before.
Yeah.
We do trap Santa.
We're doing what?
We trap Santa.
Shout for Santa.
No.
What is it, Mrs P? Trap Santa. Oh, track Santa. Yeah, we're going to be tracking Santa a bit later on as well. Yeah. So as I say, we have got Nana and Mrs P walking around the kitchen, just doing their household duties and what have you, and getting ready for Christmas because it is Christmas Eve. So without further ado, let's get down and dirty and let's make some mince pies.
Woohoo!
Right, so Nana has made us all a nice cup of coffee, which is fantastic. Yeah, 2 seconds, Roll. Let me just get you set up. You're just in there next to me. So the way I do these mince pies, which are very much appreciated around the Christmas time, is I just go and get Tesco's. You use any brand you like, right? I get the puff pastry sheets already rolled out, no mucking about.
I'll be this one.
I'll open this one first and we'll show them how we're going to do it. Because we've got to do one each.
I'll be this one.
Yeah, okay. So all we do, open the old package up. Bish bash bosh.
Bish bash bosh.
Roll that out and leave it on the sheet, right? And roll that one out. Now trust me, if you're not overly keen on mince pies, but you don't mind them,
Help me.
yeah, I'll definitely help you. I guarantee you that these mince pies will change your life. As I say, Nana,
Yeah?
she generally does about, if I make a batch of about 30 up,
Daddy,
yeah.
what's that one?
Nana, you smell it in a minute, mate. Nana generally is a culprit for about 20 missing within the first week.
Daddy,
Yeah.
what is that?
Let's go and put that on the table for me, buddy, for me. Go and put it on the table. Good lad.
Daddy.
It's just a pastry, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Now all we then do is roll out the 2 sheets. Right, now I'm going to make 3 or 4 batches up. Just level the old ends off. Let's get Riley boy a spoon. You got a spoon there, Riley boy? Yeah. You got a spoon?
Yes, I know.
And all we're going to do, literally, is we're going to undo the old jar I'll get Riley Boy started. A couple of good dollops
Yummy.
right in the middle. All
Daddy.
right? Don't use it. Don't be sparingly.
Daddy.
And the same's going to go my end. Yes, Riley.
Shadow, we want it.
Santa's going to love it.
Don't eat it in the whole guys.
Now, this is just a minced meat by Sainsbury's. You can pick it up anywhere, right?
Daddy.
Yeah.
Don't eat it in the whole guys.
Yeah. Now what we want to do is just want to like this, Riley Boy. You do this. Look. You do this on your one. Smooth it out, but just keep it away from the edges.
Me?
Yeah, you do it. You help it. You can do it all by yourself.
And what?
That's it. Smooth it right out.
It's right what drop
Okay.
it down.
And just keep it about an inch away from the edges. All right. Bung it on there. Plenty of fruit. And smooth them right out.
That wasn't me.
Well done, boy. Good lad. You're getting there. We've got 2 or 3 jars of this, so we got loads. Yeah.
A bit of wash.
No, not yet. No, doesn't need a wash yet.
So
So run it down. Yeah, I'll come do yours in a minute, Riley Boy. Just let me get this one sorted out here
Look
first.
at that.
You look at that.
Daddy,
That's about right.
is it Christmas cooking?
Yeah. So something like that. Now you can put anything you like in here. If you want to put apricots in it or peanuts in it or whatever you like, okay, you can just add it to the mix, okay? So
What is it?
lots of people like different things at Christmas to make it even more Christmassy, but you know, as it is, we'll just go with this for now. I generally make a few batches up over Christmas because they take no time at all. So we're going to now give Riley Boy a little hand.
You help me?
Yeah, definitely help you, yeah. So 1 jar has done 2 sheets, which is cool. I've got about another 2 or 3 sheets to use yet, but we're not going to make them all up in one go. So we'll smooth Riley Boy's ones out.
Daddy,
Yeah, buddy.
I have a deal for you.
Yeah, well, I've done my one. I'm just busy trying to do yours now. Have a sniff. That's it.
Israel,
Yeah, it smells lovely.
Israel,
Yeah, in a minute.
do it.
Bit more jollop on there.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Israel,
I'll smell it in a minute, mate. Yeah, just smoothing it out for now.
Nana, Israel.
So run it all the way down.
I have you.
Nice and even. As I say, just keep it away from the sides if you can. And then what we'll do is we'll push it towards one end in a minute, okay? This is supposed to be quick and easy. No stress. I know quick and easy is just go down the shop and go and buy it, right? But you'll see the difference in a bit. So smooth it all out like so. Good enough. And that's all you have to do for your base. Now, all you then want to do is get your sheet,
Oh,
get hold of it,
that's easy.
right?
That's
Fold it
easy.
over like so,
Daddy,
and then gently
that's easy.
but surely
Let me try.
roll it up into a sausage. Right? Now what you can do is just literally pick the paper up, roll it
What's
over.
that? Daddy,
Hang on, mate, I'm getting there. And fold it right up on itself like so.
Daddy,
All right. Get rid of your paper. That's now done. Yeah.
you help me.
Yeah. Let's do your one. Yeah. Let's bring the camera down so we can see yours a bit better. That's it. Here's Riley Boy's one. I'm gonna get hold of his bit of paper. So off my arms in the way. Can't really be helped.
Do what, Daddy?
What's that, mate?
I told guys.
Yeah. You tell the guys. Yeah.
Guys, Santa coming off.
Santa's what?
I mean, Santa, you find my a chimney.
Yeah. Damn chimney. Yeah.
Mum, you got chimney?
Yeah.
When the chimney does, Santa down there. Santa is down in a fire. It could be in. Santa, we don't got their business.
I think Riley Boy's a bit excited, Mrs. P.
No, Mummy.
Yeah. Right.
Mum.
So now, once we've done that,
What?
now all we want to do
Here. What is that?
is get a sharp knife.
You don't cut me.
Let's bring that back. Get a sharp knife,
You don't
big
cut
carving knife,
Daddy.
and all you want to do is just cut them into slices.
No, Mummy.
Don't have them too thick, because this is puff pastry. So cut them up.
Santa loves mince pies. That's why.
Like so.
What is that?
Now that's all cut up, what we're now going to do is get your muffin trays in. I'll move this out of the way and we'll cut some shapes out and then we'll lay them in trays. So give us 2 ticks, let's get sorted. Right, okay, so next thing we do, I've got the same pack. This is the short crust. Short crust one. 2 rolls of that. I think we've got about 2 or 3 packets of this one. So, we're now gonna do some cutting. I've already pre-greased up the old muffin cake trays with just a bit of butter, a bit of low-fat butter. We're going, yes, buddy?
What is that?
This is the short crust. This is the base.
Again?
Yeah, the base one.
Help?
You can definitely help.
Movie, Daddy.
Yeah, hang on, mate. I'm getting there. Right, Riley boy. In you come.
What's that, guys? Daddy?
That's it. Right, you get up there, then. And I want you to do some cutting, please. That's it. So start in the corner. That's it. Away you go. Don't worry about the camera. That's it. That's it. Have a little tiny cut there. And the next one over. Good boy. And keep going. Fantastic. You've done this before, Riley. Go on in. It's a good life skills for Riley as well, learning how to cook and use objects and what have you. So we want 3, 6, 9, 12 out of one sheet would be good for the first one.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Shall you do a tray?
Yeah, come on. Good lad. Well done.
Daddy? Shall
Yeah.
you do the tractor?
You go.
The tractor?
Yeah. It might come on a lawn tractor maybe.
Daddy?
Yeah.
You might tell me.
It might come on with Dennis. Right.
Who does?
Dennis, my lawnmower. Right. Don't get him, Riley boy. Now what we're going to do is we've got the first ones now all cut out. Now what we do is we now get this short crust. This has been lightly buttered, and gently plop each one of these down into who's that ringing me? Oh, that's me. That's my mum. Sorry, that's my mum ringing up. She's coming over for some presents, but we're just about to go down into tier 4, so she can't come in, but she wants to come and see Riley boy and the kids for Christmas. So yes, mate.
Are you filming?
Yeah, it's Granny. Granny and Grandad on the way over to come and see you. No, they'll ring back in a bit, or Mummy will ring them. So all we're doing for these is you've got to put these in here, because if you don't, it all falls out the bottom when they're cooked, and it all spills out everywhere. You get hot mince pie sauce absolutely everywhere. That's not good. You don't normally end up in A&E with 3rd degree mince sauce burns. So take these all out, bung them in there. He hasn't cut very well on that one, has he? He's had a go at it. We're doing all right. It ain't gonna be pretty. Yeah.
I told you, Dad. I think Mummy is mine.
Yeah, Mummy's ringing Granny. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. That's it. Bung them in there. He hasn't cut that very well at all, actually. Let's give that a wallop. That's it. That's a bit better. And that one there. Right. That's the first lot of tray done. We can move this stuff out of the way, get rid of that. Once that's done, you can now get your mince pie segment that you've cut and plop it on top, and then just don't tuck it in too much, it needs to expand. Just roll that up and just stick them in. Don't be too worried about what it look like now, because I say they're going to jump up 3 times the size of this. Just grab them. Stick them in. Like so. Let me make the other tray up and I'll come back to you. Right, what I've done is got some egg whites, brushed them on nice and loosely, so they'll come out nice and golden brown. That can come out because I need to make another batch up in a bit. I've got plenty of spare stuff. So yeah, a bit of egg yolks, brush them on. In the oven, gas about 160 degrees, something like that, about 20 minutes, and they'll be done. So let me bash them in there, and I'll be back in 2 ticks. Right, so the first batch is now done. No, you're right, Nana, you carry on, sweetheart, not a problem. It is a working household, and I'm right in the way of everybody. So the first batch is now done of mince pies. Get away, Nana. I'm not allowed to touch them just yet. That's a bit warm. So let's spoon a couple out. if we can, without smashing the bottoms. Now, because I've greased them up on the bottom, they should lift relatively well. And as you can see, they come out a bit like a Danish twirl. That's what they come out like. And because they're expanded, they're absolutely super duper light. So let me get these offloaded onto the tray. And quite on red hot. And we'll have a little look at them. 2 ticks. Okay, and there they are. That's the old Micks Mowers mince pies. Absolutely spanking they are. Now, if you're... Yeah, they are all caramelised, Nana, you're right. Nana is already sniffing around the kitchen because she can already smell them. Now, if you are... What I would say is if you're a mince pie guy who can either take it or leave it, these are for you. Because I was a mince pie guy, take it or leave it. Especially on Mr. Kipling's, I wasn't a fan. But these are so light, they just literally melt in the mouth. As I can tell, literally they're here, look at them, look. Queuing. Not yet. So, Riley Boy's in the front room. So let's put a little bit of sprinkle on it and make it really, really festive. And there you go. That is the Micks Mowers festive mince pies. And as I say, Nana is just behind me. She won't admit it. Say hi, Nana. Hi. Yeah, she's there. She's always chomping at the bit. Now, what Nana likes to do is get one or three of these and then just smear it in cold custard, Nana. Cold custard, and literally, you can see how they just move. They're brittle, so short crust pastry on the bottom holds it all in, so it doesn't get too gooey. And nice, soft, sticky mince pies. So that's how we make them in the Micks Mowers shack. Okay, so there you go. The Micks Mowers mince pies are all now ready to rock and roll. Nana's already been caught going past it once trying to dip her finger in there. Just like to say a very, very happy Merry Christmas to everyone who has joined this channel in the 2 years we've been running. We're now up to, I think, nearly 5,500 subscribers. We've had a fantastic time going on this little tiny journey with little Riley boy, Mrs. P and Nana. And we look forward to seeing you in 2021. Hopefully it's a much better year for everybody. So from all of us in the Micks Mowers household, we wish you a very Merry Christmas. And we'll all see you next year.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.